one of the concerns about having a nuclear power plant in the desert, obviously, is water. Something that's interesting is that a nuclear power plant does require water just like any other thermal plant. Same with coal, natural gas, even oil. If you're using a thermal plant, you need water as the operating fluid to eventually boil it and turn a turbine to make electricity through a dynamo. Now, the amount of water that's needed depends on the temperature. The thermal efficiency simply depends on the hot temperature and the cold temperature, and that determines the thermal efficiency, which determines how much water you need as a function of how much energy you're going to generate. Now, to compound the matter, many people think that you have to have a lot of water in a desert, which is true if you're going to have electricity in a desert, but consider this. The second largest power plant in the United States, Palo Alto, is just outside of Phoenix. And although it's a massive nuclear power plant, it's in the middle of a desert, a huge desert. And all its water is just the gray water from Phoenix. And the excess energy from Palo Alto, it supplies some to Los Angeles and Las Vegas, but it doesn't need any fresh water. Just the gray water from the city that otherwise would be disposed of is all that they need to power Phoenix and all of the surrounding areas.